guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're gonna start from the widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger and click on the plus. Now choose the widget that you want to add or the app like a Chrome and select your widget. Then hold the finger on it or just tap on the add widget. Now you can change the place for it. You can also remove that by this minus. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder. Now you can change the name in this place. If you want to turn off this folder or just remove that, hold the finger and choose remove folder. Now tap on the remove again and that's it. After that we can also go to the settings, then look for the home screen and app library, and now you can turn on the search on the home screen. So as you can see, there have a no search button. We can switch it on and now you can find apps by this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Give us a like or a comment and goodbye.